Nevertheless, there are some things people can do to reduce facial wrinkling, and many of these behaviors need to begin early in life. The biggest thing people should avoid is sun damage to the skin, which will accelerate the aging process. It's recommended people avoid spending time outside in the sun in peak sunny hours and to always use sunscreen when outdoors, even if the weather isn't sunny. Women may be able to accomplish this by using a good foundation with a high SPF. Men should find a light sunscreen with a high SPF. In addition to sunscreen, adding clothing or other accessories that shade the face may help forestall some face wrinkles from developing. Sunglasses with protection against the sun's rays are highly recommended. Hats can also be helpful since they may shade all or most of the face. Other recommendations to forestall wrinkle development are equally important. Smoking causes wrinkling, and what may start as a habit to look mature ends up making people look much older than they really are. Again, it's best if people decide not to smoke early in life, but if people are smokers, they should quit. Extremely thin people tend to look older earlier too. While it's important to maintain a healthy weight, recognize that a small amount of fat in the facial region keeps the skin smoother. Being of normal weight may allow you to appear more youthful than being very skinny. Being overweight, on the other hand, may have a premature aging effect and cause more face wrinkles. Other things that are thought to help keep wrinkles from developing include reducing stress, which may cause premature aging. Some people swear by meditative techniques or exercise like yoga for stress reduction. Staying well hydrated is suggested to lower wrinkle development too. This means drinking 8 to 12 glasses of water a day and also using a light moisturizer on the skin. Skin treatments that contain citric acid, salicylic acid, or retinol might be suggested too, especially for people in their mid-30s and up. Some suggestions for avoiding face wrinkles are hard to follow. Wrinkling does occur as a result of facial expressions, and some feel this means people should not make facial expressions and should never spend time making funny faces. Most people would find this advice fairly ridiculous. Keeping the face impassive at all times is not going to avoid all wrinkles. People will still need to chew food, for instance, which works the jaw. It is true that all facial movement ultimately contributes to wrinkling, but a lifetime of no facial movement would be impossible to achieve and would make people far less interesting in appearance.